Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello to all viewers. I'm Fia. Today my team and I will be presenting our project which have named Attendance Tracking System. So let me start with the question first. Have you guys ever reached the end of the semester and suddenly worry if your attendance was high enough to sit for your final exam? Actually, we have all been there. Attendance is an important aspect in educational institution as it helps monitor student participation, discipline, and also commitment to learning. But let's be real, some of schools and universities still rely on manual, paper-based methods that are time-consuming and prone to errors. To address these issues, we propose this attendance tracking system project to record attendance by subject and automatically calculate percentages. By using this, lecturers can reduce manual workload and manage record more efficiently, improving accuracy for everyone. For the coding part, I was responsible for the main menu and system header. I'll build the main program loop and ensure the dashboard displays a clear, fixed output of the date, time, and lecturer info. I wanted to make sure that the very first thing a user sees is organized and professional.
Hi, I'm Unisza. I'll be explaining problem and solution part. When we look at manual system, we honestly saw a mess. You got constant errors from paper records, hours wasted calculating percentages by hand, and the constant risk of losing data entirely. Not to mention, students have no way knowing their status until it's too late. To fix that, I stepped in as data manager to build something more secure. I moved us away from those messy papers into an object-oriented structure, which basically acts as a home for our data. Instead of using calculators, I built automated methods and used Java file handling to make sure every record is permanent and safe. Finally, I tie in all together with conditional logic, so now the system determines attendance status in the blink of an eye.
Hi, I'm Shifa. As the attendance officer, our mission was built on four specific objectives. First, to create an automated attendance recording program. Second, to develop an automatic calculation function for the attendance percentage. Third, to ensure all records are in a secure storage that can easily be retrieved. And fourth, to generate a summary report for every student at the end of the week. We want to create peace of mind for both students and lecturers.
Hi everyone, I'm Myra. Let's go under the hood and see how this system actually thinks. Take a look at the validate line here. This is our first line of defense. It's to ensure every metric ID is clean and 6 digits long before the system processes a single byte. Moving down to find folder, we have implemented a recursive search. It's basically a GPS for data. It navigates the file path so you don't have to. The real magic happens in the calculate and print weekly function. See that 7 days ago variable? That creates a rolling window. It ignores the old data and focuses strictly on the past week. And if that attendance math dipped below 80%, the code catches instantly with an automated warning. It's fast, it's smart, and it does the heavy lifting for the lecturer. Let's see it live. I'll register a student now. If I try to enter a wrong metric format, my validation logic stops me instantly. It keeps our data clean from the very start.
I search the metrics, hit present, and look. The system finds the folder and adds a timestamp automatically. No more manual dating errors.
And here is the magic of file handling. When I pull the weekly summary, the system reads the text file and the maths happen live. Because of the absence we just record into the database, the 80% warning logic is triggered on the screen. It is an instant alert that action is needed.
Now let's move to the conclusion. To wrap things up, our system does much more than just check boxes. We have managed to simplify student attendance tracking so that it works for us, not against us. By providing those weekly summaries, we're giving students the power to monitor their own progress every single week. As you saw in our demonstration, the automatic alerts ensure that if someone falls below 80%, they know about it immediately. Through a clear, user-friendly dashboard and secure file handling, we have ensured that data is not only accurate but also protected. Ultimately, this project is about enabling students to take timely action and stay eligible for their success. Instead of guessing, our system gave you the truth instantly. No more guessing, no more errors. I think that's all from us. Thank you for your time and attention.